Philippines. First six of SNA. Jersey number 2, jersey number 6, jersey number 1, jersey number 10, jersey number 3, and jersey number 11. First six of Casalejas National High School, jersey number 2, jersey number 3, jersey number 4, jersey number 12, jersey number 7, and jersey number 6. Head coach of SNA, Mr. Minas, and head coach of CDSS, Ma'am Papa Bier. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First referee, Sir JP Mendoza, and our second referee, Alvin Ibarra. Line judge, Sir Dominic Aldo and Juvenard. Service by brought to you by jersey number 2 of Casalejas National High School. Magandang gabi, Ma'am Kanye. Service error by jersey number 2. Magandang gabi sa ating Pilipinas, select number 3, Kanye. Jersey number 6, serving. Dagapay number 12. Love ng libero, pass over number 2, may pass natin, pero nakuha number 2. Number 7. Backrow attack, illegal. Backrow attack, committed by jersey number 2. Points by Sileches. Jersey number 3, the serving line. Dagapay number 6. Set by number 10, number 3, number 2, number 7, pass it over, Villamero. Jersey number 2. Attack by number 2, again. Back by number 2, take the throw. Nice shot by jersey number 2. Score 2-1. Nice placement shot by jersey number 2. Service. Calio in the serving line. Hotel, Alto. Jersey number 1 in the serving line. Back up in the libero. Set up to number 12. Number 12, set by number 3. Block. Outside, carried by jersey number 1. Score all 3. Now serving, jersey number 4. Double Landero, set by number 10, double number 6, set by number 3, number 7, double number 2, select number 10, strike by number 11, and outside. Outside. Number 4, the serving line. Back up by number 2, set up by number 10. Anak by number 3. Back up by number 4. Number 2. Pass over by number 12. Back up by the libero. Number 10. The number 3. Nice attack. The jersey number 3. With authority. All 4. Daga pa Delibero. Yes, you see. 5-4. This is a rematch. Jersey number 10. Pull down. All 5. Jersey number 12 in the serving line. Dagapay number 2, Serapay number 10, to number 3, Dagapay number 7, Dinabo number center, Libero, pass it over, number 6, number 10, to number 2. Attack error by Jersey number 2. 6-5, lamang po ang CNHS. Jersey number 12 in the serving line. Dagapay Delibero, hinabol ng setter. Sayang, what a nice attack by number 10. All 6. Jersey number 3, the serving line. Dagapay Delibero. Number 3 to number 7. Within. Score 7-6. In favor by SNA. Number 3, Dagapay number 12. Number 3, selected number 7. Number 3. Number 10. Crossing violation. Committed by jersey number 6. 7-all. Number 7 in the serving line. Ed Short. Number 10 to number 2. Number 10, nice test sila. Nice block. By jersey number 2. It's on in the serving line. Dagapay Delibero, miscommunication. Sayang. 9-7. Timeout requested by SNA. 9-7 in favor of CNHS. Back to the ball game. Welcome to first set. Nagsisimula pa lang ang laban pero mainit-init na. Actually, the serving line. Dagapay number 3, number 6, number 2, not over. 10-7. 7 again in the serving line. Dagapay Delibero, set by number 10, number 2. Check ball by number 6. 8-10. Lamang pa rin ang dalawa, CNHS. Jersey number 11 in the serving line. Dagapay number 2, inahabol ng setter. Sinala rin number 6. What a nice check ball by number 2. Nice attack by jersey number 6. Service. Dagapay number 3, number 10. Pass it over to number 1, number 6, to number 2. Inside, a nice special shot by Navarro. 12-8. Jersey number 6 in the serving line. Dagapay number 6. Set by number 10, number 6 again. Outside. Too much power. 8-13. Rather 13-8. Service by number 6. Inside. Service ace. Committed by number 6. in the serving area. Dapat by number 2, nabol ng libero. Pass it over by number 6, kinuha number 4. Number 3, quick set. Kaso lang, outside. Too much power. 49. Rather 9-14. Service by number 2. Back up by number 7. Set up by number 3. Libero. Set up by number 3 to number 2. Nice attack by Navarro. Inside. Down the line. Score 15-9. Navarro in the serving line. Uy, too much power. Service error by Navarro. 10-15. Escobar in the serving line. Uy, yun naman ay kulang. Kulang sa lakas. 16-10. 6 points lead by Sanchez. Calling the serving line. Back up by number 7, Mississippi by number 1. Nice serve by number 3. Score 17-10. Number 2, Sargan to number 3. Back up by number 2 and Mississippi. 17-11. Service, jersey number 1. Kulang, bitin ulit. Service error by jersey number 1. 18-11. Service by number 4. Nice serve. Service ace by jersey number 4. Timeout requested by SNA. Paging Vincent. Back to the ball game. Welcome to the first set. Score 19-11. Lamang po ang CHS. Number 4 in the serving line. Dug up by number 6, set up by number 10. Uy, nice reach by number 3. 19-12. Iba na ang matangkad. Sargan in the serving line. Dug up by Navarro. Calio. Recover by Libero. Number 6, pass it over. Libero. Sargan. Pinabasa ng nagap by number 2, Libero. Number 3. Number 12. Nagap by number 6. Number 10. To number 3 again. Nice block. Marshall block by jersey number 6. Score 20-12. 8 points lead by Sanchez. Number 12 in the serving line. Full boss? May libreng full boss po tayo. Sino po? Free powder! Kabaruglas in the serving line. Saya. Score 21-13. Salamat po sa nagpa-powder dyan. Number 10, the serving line. Baga by the libero. Uy, number 2. Baga by number 6. Ang dami mong points. kayong tumili. Back to the ball game. First set pa rin po ito. Score 21-14. Service by jersey number 3. And last. Dagdag by De Libero. Number 12 to number 2. Pass it over. Number 6, Sargan. 4 touches. Attack error played by jersey number 6. Score 22-14. Service by jersey number 7, Itchon. Dagdag by Canlas, Sargan. To Escobar, Libero. Calio, to Navarro, miscommunication. Score 15-22. Service by jersey number 11. Cabalubias, number 3, to Navarro, dagdag by Escobar, Sargan, Cabalubias, Calio, to Navarro, dagdag by Escobar, number 6, to number 2 again, number 7, number 3, number 11, Sargan, to Navalta, not over. Attack error committed by Navalta. Score 23-15. Service by jersey number 6. Uy, kulang. Score 16-23. Navalta in the serving line. Dagdag by De Libero, jersey number 3. Number 2, pass it over. Navalta, Sargan. Cabalubias, number 3. Navarro again. Inside. 24-16. Service by jersey number 2. Navarro, the serving line. Dagdag by De Libero, number 10. Dagdag by De Libero, number 3. Number 1, to Escobar. Number 2, set up by number 3. Number 12, outside. Too much power. Score 24-17. Umahabol ang SNA. Service by Escobar. Dagdag by number 7. Number 3, a double contact. Double violation. 18-24. Kaya pa. Escobar, the serving line. Yun lang. End of first set. N-line players, please. Players, N-line, please. Then change court. Congratulations, CLSS, for winning the first set. Bawi tayo sa name sa second set. Good evening to all the parents na sumusuporta sa kanilang mga players. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Escobar in the serving line. Dagapoy de Libero, Navarro, Tocaba Rubias, Dagapoy de Libero, Raising, Calio, to number 6, number 10, Tocanlas, Navarro, Hinabali Calio, Cabarro Besonet, nice attack by Cabarrubias. Calio to serving line, Dagapoy de Libero. Big save. Number 4, Calio. Stepping on the line or crossing violation committed by Calio. Ay, 9, sorry. Nabatay na serving line. Too much power outside. Score 2-1. Naman po ang CHS. Jersey number 9, the serving line. Dagapoy number 2, Inaboy number 6. Pass it over na Libero. Number 4. Outside. Too much kawit. Too much kawit, sayang. 3-1. Alas again. Nice recover. 4-1. Lamang po ng tatlo ang CHS. Nice dog. Silva Libero. Sayang. 5-1. Nice effort. Service, jersey number 9. Dagapoy number 2, Naval ng setter. Caldas again. Dagapoy number 3. Substitution rep. Muna SNA. Jersey number 12 out, jersey number 10 in. And jersey number 11 in, jersey number 2 out. Substitution rep. SNA. Manzano in, Montilao out. Jersey number 5, the serving area. Dagapoy number 11, Pasabay number 3, Dagapoy Escobar. Tocanlas. Sayang, masipa mo yung mukha. Score 5-3. Lamang pa rin ang CHS. Jersey number 5. Serving. Dagapoy de Libero. Nice serve by jersey number 5. Sana lang ang laman ng CHS. Manzano na serving line. Dagapoy number 11. Missy Shield by number 11. Score all 5. To Betsy. Manzano in the serving line. Nice serve, Dagapoy number 11, inabot ng center. Number 4, Dagapoy Manzano. May sata. Number 10. Kapalas. Kapalas. Number 3. Nice attack by number 10. Score 6-5. Mansana in the serving line. Libero. Pass over. Kalas again. Pass it over. Nagapay ni Libero. Calio. To number 8. Escobar. Nice. Nice. Anticipation. High execution. All 6. Number 10 in the serving line. Tagapay ni Libero. Nabot ni Escobar. Attack error by jersey number 8. Substitution, ref. Number 10 out. Number 12 in. Number 11 out. Number 2 in. Kalas the serving line. Tagapay ni Libero. Set by Calio. Bontilao. Number 11, Abelon. Nice fight. Score 8-6. Lamang ang SNA. Kalas the serving line. Tagapay ni Barupias. Calio. To Navarro. Nabalta. Uy! Nisip. By Abelon. Number 8 in the serving line. Tagapay ni Libero. Number 10. Escobar. Nice attack by Escobar. Score 7-9. 2-point lead. BSNA, number 10 in the serving line. Services. Tama, requested by Services. Lamang ng 3 ang SNA. Back to the second set. Score 10-7. Sargan in the serving line. Tagapay ni Barupias. Calio. To Navarro. Nice. Nice shot by Navarro. Score 8-10. Number 4 in the serving line. Dagat by Nabalta. Sargan. To Escobar. Dagat by number 8. Navarro. Double contact. Double the violation to made by jersey number 3, Calio. Substitution ref. Bontilao out. Ayin, Mansana out. 1-5. Navarro to number 6. Sargan to Escobar. Number 8, Calio to Navarro. The ball shot over. 8-12. Apat ang lamang ng SNA. Abelon, serving. Calio to Navarro. Calas to Sargan. Escobar, dagat by Cabarubias. Calio. Violation committed by number 3. 8-13. Substitution rep. Abilon out, Beloria in. 11 out, 9 in. Substitution rep. Number 9 out. Number 9 out. Number 6 in. No more substitution. Number 9 in the serving line. Dagat by Navarro, Calio. To Navarro, top 4 inside. Nice attack by Navarro. Score 9-13. Naman pa rin ang SNA. Navarro in the serving line. Dagat by Delibero. Rui. Catch violation by Sargan. Score 10-13. Tatlo pa rin ang laman ng SNA. Navarro in the serving line. Dagat by Delibero. Nice save by Escobar. Navalta, pass it over. Number 6, Calio. Nice save by Escobar. Calio ulit. Navarro. Canlas. Sargan. Escobar. Nice block by jersey number 6. 6-6. Sabi. 11, serving 13. Navarro in the serving line. Too much power. Outside. 11-14. Tatlong lamang ng SNA. Escobar in the serving line. The captain. Dagat by Delibero. Calio. To Cabarubias. Outside. Too much muscle. Scoring 15-11. Escobar in the serving line. Outside. Nice anticipation by Calio. Calio in the serving line. Libero time stop. Sargan. To Navalta. Dagat by Navarro. Save by Cabarubias. Sargan. To Canlas. Dagat by Libero. Inaba ni Navarro. Wala ang sumunod. Nice attack by number 2, Canlas. 16-12. Substitution rep. Hipolito in. Navalta out. Hipolito in the serving line. Uy, muntikan na. Calio to 12. Cabarubias, saved by number 12. Outside by number 1. Score 13-16. Number 6 in the serving line. Outside. Service error committed by number 6. Score 17-13. Apat ang inahabol ng Series S. Number 1 in the serving line. Navarro. To Calio. Uy. Score 18-13. 5. Bontilao in the serving line. Calio to Calio. To Cabarubias. Blockers out. 14-18. Cabarubias in the serving line. Dagat by Escobar. Libero. To Abilon. by Calio. Escobar. So Sargan. Kalas! Score! What a nice shot by Kalas! Score, 19-14. Timeout. Requested by CNHS. Back to the second set. Lamang po ang SLA ng 19-14. Kalas in the serving line. Daga kay Calio. Calio to Navarro. Escobar. Sargan to Escobar. Walang tabor. Nice space and shot. Score 20-14. In favor of SNA. Kalas in the serving line. Daga kay Cabarubias. Calio to number 8. Pass it over. Daga by number 10. Number 10 to Escobar. Daga by 8. Sayang. 21-14. Kalas in the serving line. Calio to Calio. Not over. Attack error. Given by number 8. 22-14. Substitution rep. Polito. Number 3. Kalas. Out. Polito in. Polito, number 4. Daga kay Libero. Daga kay Calio. Not over. Score 23-14. Nice serve by Polito. Service number 4. Uy, sayang. 23-15. Jersey number 8. Serving. Escobar. Sargan. Violation committed by Sargan. Score 23-16. Catch violation. Number 8 in the service line. Escobar. Sargan to Escobar. Nice block by jersey number 4. Score 17-23. 5 laban sa 2. Jersey number 8 in the serving line. Escobar. Sargan to Escobar. Attack error. 18-23. Jersey number 8 in the serving line. Nice effort by number 4. Escobar. Cabarubias. Calio. Cabarubias. May pasabi. 19-23. Timeout requested by SNA. Lumapit kayo sa second referee. Captain Ball. Captain Ball. Toss coin. Nice game by SNA. Congratulations for winning the second set. And now we're entering the third and deciding set. Sino kaya ang mananalo ngayong gabi? Ito ba ay rematch? Or SNA change court? Mag-change court na sila, sir? Okay, sir. Change court na po kayo. And line, please. SNA dito. Yes, ma'am. Service na sa LHS. For the third and second set, sino kaya ang mananalo? Makabawi kaya ang CLHS or madadalawahan ng SNA ang CLHS? Sinong kabado? Sino may daga? Malalaman natin ngayong gabi. Magandang gabi kay Aris Galiban. Gulat ka, no? Magandang gabi kay Michelle. Ang binibining sa Isidro. Navarro in the serving line. Dagat by the libero. Sargan to Canlas. Yeah, sir! Easy point by Canlas. Zone 1. 1-0. Binibining Michelle ng San Isidro. Magandang gabi. Pulido in the serving line. Dagat by the libero. Talio. Cabalubias, recover it, number 7 to number Cabalubias, Sargan, to Canlas, number 20. Nice attack by Canlas, score 2-0. Pulido once again in the serving line. Dagat by the libero, Navarro, Cabalubias adjusted pero outside. Too much power. Score 3-0. Namang na tatlo ang SNA. Pulido again in the serving line. Daga by the libero. Number 3. By number 4. Magandang gabi sa Jowa ni Michelle, si Nico Santonio. Pakitanggal po ang mga accessories. Baka sumabit. 1 serving 3. Calio in the serving line. Daga pa Escobar, Sargan, Canlas again, outside. 2 serving 3. Calio. Daga pa Escobar, Sargan, to Canlas, dagat by crossing violation. Okay ka lang po? Kaya? Kaya po, kaya? Coach. Kaya in the serving line. Pulido, number 1, to Canlas, Dagabay Navarro, Calio, to Cabarubias, crossing violation by Bertolao, score 4-3, mag-ingat lang po tayo sa net. Calio in the serving line, para po hindi tayo ma-injure. Pulido, Sargan, to number 1, not over. Attack error by Bertilao. 5 serving 3 in favor of CNHS. Tayo at the serving line. Daga pa Escobar, Sargan, to Canlas once again into 20. Nice shot by Canlas. Score 5-4. Bertilao in the serving line. Daga by Delibero, Calio, to Cabarubias. Nice shot by Cabarubias. 6-4. Jersey number 4 in the serving line. Escobar, Sargan, to Canlas once again. Daga by number 2. Number 4 to number 12. Daga by number 3. Bertilao. Number 4, Escobar, Sargan, to Abelar. Net violation committed by Jersey number 6. Score 6-5. Canlas in the serving line. Daga by Delibero, Calio, Cabarubias, Daga by Delibero, save by Abelar. Pasado by Canlas, Navarro, Calio, to Cabarubias. Too much power by Cabarubias, outside. Points to SNA, all 6. Canlas in the serving line. Number 6, Calio. Nagkabanggaan na sila. Hindi na alam kung saan pupunta. Score 7-6. Time out. Requested by CNHS. Back to the third set. Lamang po ng isa SNA. Canlas in the serving line. Daga by Cabarubias, Calio. Nice save by Canlas. Number 7, ito Calio, to Cabarubias. Nice effort. Score all 7. Cabarrubias in the serving line. Daga by the libero. Oh, nice serve. By jersey number 12, Cabarrubias. Cabarrubias in the serving line. Magandang gabi kay Russell. Calas, Sargan, to Escobar. Daga by Navarro, Navarro ng libero. Pass over by Navarro, libero. To Sargan, Escobar, to Navarro. Nag-picture taking sila sa baseline. Number 11, number 10, the server 9. Daga by Cabarrubias. Calio, Navarro. To Calas. Navarro, nice shot. 9-8. Naawa ang net. It's showing the serving line. Dagat by Calas. Inside. Down the line. Points awarded to SNA. All 9. Nice shot by number 11. Abilon. Abilon in the serving line. Too much power outside. Score 10-9. Palitan ng puntos, palitan ng error. Score, 10-9. Number 6, serving. Daga pa ng libero. Sargan. To Escobar! What a nice shot by Escobar! Score, 10-0. Escobar in the serving line. Too much power. 11-10. Navarro in the serving line. Daga by Pulido. Nabo ni Calas. Number 6 pass it over. Navarro. Calio. To number 12. Nice shot by number 12, Techboy. Score 12-10. Navarro serving. Escobar. To Sargan, Calas, Navarro, Calio, Robert. Score 12-11. Points awarded to SNA. Pulido in the serving line. Daga by the libero. Calio. Outside. All 12. Pulido in the serving line. Edson. Calio. Cabarrubias. Nice shot by Cabarrubias. End-line players. End-line. End-line muna po, then change score. Score 13-12 in favor of CNHS. Isa lang ang lamang ng CNHS. Same player, same position. Calio in the serving line. Calio to the barrel. Wow, what a nice save by Calio. Service ace. Was received by the libero of SNA in Escobar, Sargan, Tucalas, outside. The score is 16-12. Timeout requested by SNA.
The medics.
Nice attack by number 4.
Very good, very good, very good. Game.
Back to the third and deciding set. 16-12. Lamang po ng 4 ang CNHS. Kaloy na serving line. Kaya, Escobar, hinabol ni Sargan, Calas, pass it over, and Mississippi Lechon. Score, 13-16. Humahabol ang SNA. Bantilaw in the serving line. Libero, Calio, Cabarubias, Calas, Bantilaw, Abilon, Calio, Cabarubias, Calas nandoon, Escobar, ayan na si Escobar, Calio, Cabarubias, pero kulang. Hindi nakabawi, 16-14. Bantilaw, Dagabay Navarro, Calio, Cabarubias, Dagabay Pulido, Sargan, Tucalas, Dagabay Libero, Navarro, Cabarubias, Dagabay Pulido, Calas again, Libero, Navarro. To number 6, Dagabay Libero, Sargan, Tucalas, Calio, Calio, Bantilaw, Sargan, Calas, attack by Calas, 16-15. Isa na lang ang inahabol ang SNA. Bantilaw in the serving line. Edson, Calio, Cabarubias, nice attack by Cabarubias, 17-15. 2-point lead by CNHS.
Mamaya ka na magpasok.
Jersey number 4, the serving line. Dagabay Abilon, Dagabay Libero, Escobar, pass it over. Number 6, Calio, Tuichon, Dagabay Sargan, Abilon, Calio, number 6, Navarro, butikin na, Calio, Cabarubias, Bunkers out. Next attack by jersey number 2, 18-15. In favor of CNHS. Number 4, serving. Dagabay, serving serves by jersey number 4. Score 19-15. Timeout requested by SNA. No timeout left. Ano ka ba? Isa. Okay, change start pala. Sorry.
Pinakabahan sila. Ito yung ginagawa ko doon. Yung libero na sa gitna.
Back to the ball game. This is the third and deciding set. This is a rematch between CNHS versus SNA. 19 versus 15. Number 4, serving. Dagabay Escobar, Sargan, Calas, pass it over. Jersey number 4, Calio, by jersey number 6, what a quick play by CNHS. Jersey number 4, serving. Escobar, Sargan, to Canlas. Nice attack by Canlas. Score 2016. Canlas in the serving line. Navarro, Cayo, to Cabarupias. Nice attack by Cabarupias. 21-16. Cabarupias in the serving line.
Go, Bebe ko.
Daga pa Escobar, Libero, pass it over to Escobar. Cabarupias, Cayo, to Echoy. Nice shot by Echoy. 22-16. Nice placement shot. Substitution run. Nabalta in. Number 4 out. Cabarupias serving. Libero, Escobar pass it over. Calio, to Calio, to Navarro, Escobar, Sargan, grabe. Calio, to Navarro. Too much video. 22-17. Sargan serving. Too much muscle. Outside. 23-17. Echoy in the serving line. Dapat batala. Sinabi ni Sargan. Escobar pass it over. Kaya. Oh, nice shot. Lucky shot by Escobar. Abdullah in the serving line. Edson, Calio, to Navarro, Escobar nandoon, Sargan to Escobar. Not over. 24-18. Jersey number 6 serving. What a nice jump serve. Batara by Escobar, Sargan to Nabalta. Calio, Navarro, to Cabarupias, Escobar, Nabalta, Escobar. Oh, nice shot by Escobar. Never say die by SA. 19 serving 24. Escobar in the serving line. Daga-Pension, Calio, Navarro, nice shot, outside! On the shot, Verso! Zero misses! Veterans and Lightness! Congratulations, both teams, for the wonderful game! Congratulations, Castellanos National High School, for winning the match! And thank you for the nice game, SMA. Our last game, San Agustin versus